What if I told you that you could grow your own fresh, healthy salad greens in just 7 days? And you don't even need a garden? No backyard? No problem. All you need is a windowsill, a tray, and a little water. This trick is perfect if you're short on space, live in an apartment, or just want fast, nutritious greens without all the fuss. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to grow your own microgreens step by step, plus how to harvest them right on time for the crunchiest, tastiest salads ever. Why microgreens are so popular. Microgreens aren't just cute, they're superfoods. These tiny baby plants are harvested when they're only a week or two old. At this stage, they're packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fresh flavor, sometimes up to 40 times more nutrients than their mature versions. They're easy to grow indoors, taste amazing, and add a burst of color to your meals. Plus, they cost almost nothing compared to buying those fancy microgreen packs at the store. What you'll need to get started. You don't need fancy tools. Here's your simple starter kit. First, grab a shallow tray or container. It could be a seed tray, an old takeout box, or even a baking dish. Just make sure it's clean. Next, get some good potting soil or a seed starting mix. For the seeds, try easy favorites like radish, mustard, kale, arugula, or a mixed microgreen blend. You'll also need a spray bottle for misting and a sunny windowsill or a simple grow light if you don't get enough natural sunlight. How to plant your greens. Start by filling your tray with about an inch of moist potting mix. Smooth it out gently, but don't pack it down too tight. Sprinkle your seeds evenly over the surface. It's okay to sow them thickly. You want a nice, dense mat of greens. Press the seeds lightly into the soil and mist them with water. Then cover the tray with a lid or plastic wrap to keep moisture in until the seeds sprout. Lighten water. The 7-day game plan. Once your seeds sprout, usually in 2 to 3 days, remove the cover and place the tray on a sunny windowsill. If you don't get much sunlight, use a simple grow light about 6 inches above the greens for 12 to 16 hours a day. Mist your greens gently once or twice a day, so the soil stays damp but not soggy. Good airflow helps prevent mold. You can even run a small fan nearby if your room is stuffy. Harvest time. Ready in just 7 days. Most microgreens are ready to harvest about a week after planting. You'll know they're ready when they have 2 nice leaves, cotyledons, and are about 2 to 3 inches tall. Use clean scissors to snip them just above the soil line. Give them a quick rinse, pat them dry, and they're ready for salads, sandwiches, or even smoothies. Don't let them get too old. They lose flavor and tenderness fast. The beauty is, you can sow a new tray every week for a constant fresh supply. So, next time you want fresh, crunchy greens, don't run to the store. Just grow your own right on your windowsill in 7 days or less. It's cheap, easy, and delicious. And you don't need a garden, fancy equipment, or green thumbs. If you try this, let me know your favorite microgreen to grow in the comments below. Tap that like button if you learned something new today. And don't forget to subscribe for quicker, zero-stress gardening hacks anyone can do. No backyard needed. Happy growing!